Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. So today I'm going to talk to you about this AI design. Okay, so this is all the function. Okay, so this AI to design, you come into here. When you come into Furni AI, you come into here, AI design. So this is here for you to create upload an empty space of image. Then you want AI see how they want to generate for you. So this is the model 1.0, 2.0, living room, dining room, all the space required. Okay. So if you got reference upload image, you can upload in here, the resolution, and you can use image to text, okay, or your description you can write in here. All right, so let's get into it. So I have a space, I have an images here. So let's say this is, let's say I use this one. Okay, just drag and drop an image to upload. Okay, once complete, so let's say this is maybe this is dining room, so just select dining room here like that, or select living room. Okay, it's your choice. Or if you want to choose bedroom, kid room, or kitchen. Okay, so let's say I prefer dining room. Press like this, then just start. Alright, so based on this empty image, you can see give you a dining room. Alright, that's all for this video. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.